Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set a timer on iPhone Pro camera. Go ahead and open up your camera app, and first you can either set it to photo or portrait below. You can swipe through the options like this, and I'm just going to keep it at photo mode. And what we're going to do is to scroll up a bit anywhere on this part of the screen, and you should be able to see all these options. Now to find the timer option, just simply scroll to the left if you cannot see it right now, but it is right here, that clock icon. So you can click on it and you will then have these three options, 3, 5, or 10 seconds, which would be the timer before it takes a photo automatically. So for example, I'm going to select 3 seconds, and when you press on the shutter button right there, it will then count like that and take a photo after the timer. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.